बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय, राधा रानी की जय, श्रीमद सद्गुरु सरकार की जय। प्रथमं सद्गुरुं वन्दे श्रीकृष्णं तदनन्तरं गुरु पापात्मनां त्राता श्रीकृष्णस् त्वमलात्मना। बरहापीठं नटवरवपु कर्णयो कर्णिकारं बिभ्रदवासा कनककपिशं वैजयन्तीं च मालां रन्ध्रावेणु रथरसुधया पूरयन् गोपवृन्दैः वृन्दारण्यं स्वपदरमणं प्राविशद्गीतकीर्ति। नमः कमलनाभाय नमः कमलमालिने नमः कमलपादाय नमस्ते कमलेक्षण यो ब्रह्माणं विदधाति पूर्वं यो वै वेदांश्च प्रहिणोति तस्मै तद्ध्वं हदेवमात्मबुद्धिप्रकाशं मुमुक्षुर्वै शरणमहं प्रपद्ये। बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय, राधा रानी की जय, श्रीमद सद्गुरु सरकार की जय। Revealed Coach Book 1, page 20. कतयित उत भटकात चपल चित कतयित उत भटकात चपल चित वेद पुराण बात मानु कहूँ वेद पुराण बात मानु चरण चरण शरण बल भ्राता बनी जय बात चपल चित सब बनी जय बात चपल चित भक्त हित उत भटकात चपल चित बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की राधा रानी की श्रीमद सद्गुरु सरकार की First let me say Radhe Radhe to each and every one of you. My pranam, my humblest prostration, and happy Bhakti Divas, Happy New Year. We have been listening to the explanation of this divine path written by Jagat Gurutam Shri Kripal Mahaprabhu for the last 13 days. Today is the last day and it's going to be very short, just half an hour. Lot to be said. Can't finish, we'll try to do as best as possible. So we found out yesterday that we have to do only bhakti. In order to, so three things: sambandh, our relation, our true relation. Every relation of the soul, Atma, is only with Shri Krishna. Mata, Pita, Bhrata, सब कुछ. Mother, father, wife, husband, child, friend, brother, sister, every relation of the soul, Atma. Tvameva sarvam mama deva deva is only Ev with Shri Krishna. Abhideya, how to make that relation complete? Only one path, bhakti. Only through bhakti we can become completely free from Maya and attain the ultimate aim of divine love, divine bliss, divine vision forever. And the prayojan is to attain that divine love, the prem, that divine seva. So, we heard that there are two kinds of bhakti. एक तो साधना भक्ति जो हमें करना है, और एक है सिद्धा भक्ति, अंतःकरण शुद्ध होने के बाद एक रसिक संत गुरु वो सिद्धा भक्ति हमको दे देंगे फ्री. So two bhakti, one is sadhana bhakti. We have to practice to make the vessel, the heart, the mind, to make that vessel pure, divine. Sadhana we have to do, and Siddha Bhakti we don't do. That will attain through the grace of the Rasik Saint, one who possesses that Siddha Bhakti himself, that infinite divine love, divine bliss for Sri Krishna, infinite. He will give us. He's going to make the heart, the mind divine, the vessel. We have to do sadhana. Ultimately, Guru is the one who's going to make the heart, the mind divine, and he's going to give that Bhagavad Prapti, Shri Radha Krishna, the infinite divine knowledge, divine bliss, etc. Free, you don't have to do anything. Once the vessel is made. So we found out to do sadhana, three things. First, of course, ekantame. We have to be sadhana, we have to do alone in order to keep the mind from wandering. In our room, somewhere that we can be alone. And then 3 rules. Asina Sambhavat. Number 1, Brahma Sutra. Sit. Best position for doing sadhana with the legs crossed. Number 2, Achala Tvacha Peksham. We have to be alert. Keep the back straight, especially in the beginning. Focus them so we can focus the mind. Again, keep it from wandering. And number 3, the most important, Dhyanacha. We have to do Roop Dhyan. I told you there are many kinds of bhakti. 9 types, 10 types, 24, 36, many, 100. But in this many types of bhakti, most famous is Navadha Bhakti, which Prahlad taught to his own father Hiranyakashipu. Out of that 9, 3 are most important. This question was asked by Sutaji Maharaj. Was asked to Sutaji Maharaj by Shaunakadik, Paramahansa, etc. in Naimisaranya. That in this age of Kali Yuga, where everything is very limited, dirty, so difficult, age is very less, buddhi, nothing, we forget so quickly, everything is so bad, what can the soul do? Best, the easiest. So, Shukadev ji, he quoted Shukadev ji. Shukadev is saying to Parikshit, Tasma Sarvatmana Rajan Haris Sarvatra Sarvada Shrotavya Kirtavyasya Smartavyo Bhagavanina. Bhagavad Mahapuran, 2nd canto, 2nd chapter, 36 verse. 3 bhakti we have to do. 3, only 3. Shrotavya, Shravan, listen. Listen to divine philosophy given only by Rasik Saint or someone he has given that to authorized. Soi janahi jehi dehu janai. Someone he has given it to, authorized to deliver it. Tattva Gyan. Shrotavya, Kirtitavyasya, we were just chanting. The bhajan kirtan written by, again, saint. Don't sing those written by worldly people, filmy one. You get harm instead of benefit. Why? Because when God is right, when saint is writing, it is Bhagavan himself. So the words of the saint, his bhajan kirtan, etc., is filled with divine power. Divya Shakti. We get more benefit. These are divine words. When a worldly person is writing, his intellect, his mind, everything is material. So even though it's God's name, it is material. There's no Shakti, divine power. And secondly, because he's on the Maya, he'll write the wrong thing, wrong philosophy. And we follow that, and we're going to get harmed. Only say, Tulsidas, Surdas, Virat, Tukaram, Nanam, Kripal Mahaprabhu, any saint. Chant, Bhajan Kirtan written by Rasik Saint. This is very important. And so, Shrotavya, Kirtavyasya, Smartavya. Smarana. While chanting, meditate. Don't just take the name like a parrot. Think whose name I am taking, think about his virtues, his qualities, try to visualize his form. Roop Dhyan. Use picture or photo in the beginning. tears, Asubaha. Why? Why do we have to shed tears? Because there's a condition for knowing God, Sri Krishna. Nirmal man jana so mohi pava mohi kapat chal chidra bhava. Shri Krishna, Bhagavan Shri Ram is saying, only those who are pure in heart, pure mind, can know me, see me, and attain me. I cannot tolerate deception, deceit, fraud. And how are we going to make the heart, the mind pure? So Sri Krishna says to Uddhav in Bhagavad Mahapurana, Yatha vinahe mamalam jahati dhmatam punah svam bhajate charupam Atma cha karmanushayam vidhuya mad bhakti yogena bhajatyatho ma. Bhagavad Mahapurana 11th canto, 14th chapter, 25th verse. Shri Krishna is saying to Uddhav, just as gold, when there are impurities, gold has become dirty, or in its original form there's a lot of impurities. How do you purify the gold? You heat it in fire. So Sri Krishna says, just as gold is heated, when heated in fire, becomes purified of its dirt, impurities, glows and attains its pure form. In the same way, only when we shed tears of selfless love for Sri Krishna is the heart, the mind purified. One medicine. No gyan, no karma, no havan, no puja, nothing else works. Only shedding tears of selfless love, and only for Sri Krishna, not for the world. When we shed tears for the world, the heart is already so dirty, we make it more dirty. To make the point even stronger, so 11, 14, 25, the next slok, again he says, Yatha yathatma parivridyate so man punya gatha shravana vidhanai tatha pashyati vastu sukshmam chakshu yathaiva janasam prayuktam. Bhagavad Mahapurana 11th canto, 14th chapter, 26th verse. Just as when we have some disease in the eye, cataract, etc., we go to the doctor, we get medicine, cream, drops, we do operation, laser, etc. In the same way, in ancient times, there were disease in the eye, same diseases. But they did not have the medicines we have today, laser and all that. Yeah, but they had medicine even better. There was an Ayurvedic medicine called Anjan, not there anymore. Don't come and ask me where you can find Anjan. It's in Swarg. We'll come back again in Satyug. So any disease in the eye, and you applied Anjan in ancient time, slowly, it destroys the disease, and we're able to see clearly again. Shri Krishna says to Uddhav, just as in ancient times when disease in the eye, you apply Anjan, slowly destroys the disease, and you're able to see clearly again. In the same way, while chanting my divine name, listening to my divine glories, divine philosophy, etc., one sheds tears of selfless love. For me, Sri Krishna is the heart, the mind purified. without these tears, bhakti hai. Chant for million years. Mahamantra, Radhe Radhe, Hari Krishna, Radhe Govind. Nothing is going to happen unless we share tears of selfless love. We've been thinking God, name from uncountable lifetime, nothing has happened. The Because we did not shed tears of selfless love. And if we did, we shed tears for Krishna and tears for the world. So you work very hard for $20 and you spend $100. Doesn't make any sense. Only for Shri Krishna. Only Shri Krishna means Naam, Roop, Leela, Gun, Sant, Dham. Any of these six. Shri Krishna's name, uncountable. Shri Krishna's form, Roop, uncountable. Any form. Leela, divine pastimes, uncountable, infinite. Any Leela. Gun, virtues, qualities, infinite. Anyone. Saint, those who have attained the divine love of Shri Krishna, uncountable. And Dham is divine abode. All of these, all of them. Anyone we can take hold of and go to Shri Krishna. Shedding tears for any one of these is Ananyata, exclusively. And there are two kinds of tears. आंसू दो प्रकार के होते हैं, एक गर्म और एक ठंडा. There are two kinds of tears. One is hot, one is cold. So two kinds of relation we make with Shri Krishna, Milan or Viraha. You're meditating on Shri Krishna, you're sitting alone in a room and you're doing dhyan, chanting His divine name. Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Radhe Radhe. Some bhajan written by a saint, and you're visualizing Shri Krishna standing in front of you, bent in three places, Vibhangi Lal, neck, waist and ankles, bluish in complexion, wearing pitambar, yellow clothes, silk and yellow clothes, with a garland of wild flowers around his neck, a peacock feather on his crown, with the basuli. He's looking at you, smiling, and he comes towards you, picks you up in his arms and embraces you. You feel the touch, the soft divine touch. This will give you so much happiness. Tears will start flowing from the eyes. These tears are cold, and they're called tears of union or milan. Another time you're trying to meditate, and Shri Krishna is very hard to visualize Him, or He's there but doesn't want to come to you, turn His back to you, etc. And you start feeling in the heart, oh, my beloved doesn't want to come to me because my heart is so dirty, I am so sinful that I can't even visualize my beloved. This will cause tears to flow also. These tears are hot and they are called tears of separation, viraha. And these tears are even more important. They purify the heart even faster. That's why Daina Madhuri is so important. The feeling that I am the most sinful, most fallen will cause the tears to flow. So we have to shed tears. There's only one reason why we can't shed tears. I've told you that before during the series, and that is Abhiman, ego. We can shed tears in the world easily, but when it comes to God, to Guru, it's very difficult. And the only reason for that, some people can shed easily. They have good sanskars, but a lot of us is very difficult. And the only reason for that is Abhiman, ego, pride. So to get rid of pride, humility is important. This is why Gauranga Mahaprabhu says in his Shastak, in the very first mantra, sutra, the very first sutra, Trinadapi sunechena tarorapi savishnuna amanina manadena Kirtaniya Sada Hari. Shikshastak Gauranga Mahaprabhu. You want to do bhakti, to go on the path of devotion, to benefit? There's some conditions we have to fulfill. Number one, Trinadapi Suni Chena. Trin means grass. One has to become humbler than the blade of grass. We walk on grass, tread on the grass. What does the grass do? It bends. When you leave, it stands up again. Doesn't complain. We have to be more humble than that. How? By realizing our uncountable lifetime of wickedness, sin, and impurities is stored in my heart. That's why, instead of being attracted to Hari Guru every moment, thinking lovingly about Radha Krishna and Guru, I'm thinking about the world. I find it very hard to attend satsang. I get bored chanting, etc. Shows how dirty, how sinful the heart and mind is. Realizing how fallen. Taro rapi sahishnuna, to be more tolerant than a tree, a fruit-bearing tree. How tolerant a tree is. Someone is taking care of a tree, put in fertilizer, etc. Someone is trying to kill the tree, break the branch, throw stones, stick. But when the tree bears fruits, it gives to everyone alike. The tree doesn't say, hey, you took care of me, I'm going to give the best and sweetest mango to you. And you try to kill me, no mango for you. Oh, I'm going to give you a poison mango. Does the tree say this? No, the tree gives fruits to all alike. Whether you took care or you try to kill it. We have to be more tolerant. In other words, you have to get angry. And you don't get angry. Anger destroys everything. This is a big problem we have. Satsangi complain all the time. This Satsangi tell me this and that one. And I'm not coming satsang because I don't like these people. And little thing we get angry. Are Sri Krishna is not a hut. Hamare jo Ishta Dev, he is extremely naughty. Why can't we think that Sri Krishna is sitting in the heart of that person and he is testing me? This is nature. That Maharaj is in all satsangi. Maharaj is sitting in the heart and he is pushing deliberately. Guru is going to test. Radha Krishna is going to test. Not to punish us, but to make us get better. In Guru school, all of us went to school. You got tests in the school, pariksha. It wasn't to punish us. That if we pass the test, then we can go higher. Or else we never pass, we fail all the time, go back down. In the same way, Guru is going to test. Radha Krishna is going to test. With big tests in the path of bhakti. I don't like test, I don't want test. Then you don't want bhakti. Chahiye bhakti. Take the test, enjoy the test. I know it's you in the heart. Say, I know it's you. Thakurji. You're testing me. I'm not going to fail. Then you don't get negative feeling. You don't get angry. Start hating this one, don't like that one, all kind of foolishness. It's not what Guru has taught us. Guru is testing me. He's sitting in that person's heart. Radharani, Sri Krishna is testing me. Feel like that. इस सहन की शक्ति बहुत महत्व. This power to tolerate is so important. Shri Maharaj will tell us the more you increase the power to tolerate, the more bhakti you will get. इसको बढ़ाओ. Develop the thing that somebody is going to give me deliberately, insult me, abuse me, give me problem, and I would not feel anything. आप तो बन गया था साधक. Now you become sadhak. No matter what anyone does, हंसते रहो, smile, laugh. We have to protect our bhakti like a miser would protect few dollars. Not kathir se milte hai. It's so difficult. And you lose it by getting angry, by having negative feeling. Amanina manadena. Man means respect. Not to desire name and fame. Not to want that everybody should think I am a great satsangi, I am a great devotee. This is a problem we have. We want everybody to think how good we are. Somebody say any little thing we get angry and we do all kinds of things that we get our name cleared. This is the nature of the world. Whether you deserve it or not, people are going to say. Don't have this desire for वो महाराज जी कहते ना बड़े बड़े बनने का प्रयत्न मत करो छोटे बनने का don't make efforts to be great in everybody's eye, make efforts to be small that everybody thinks I'm the worst of the worst. Yeah, child. So abhiman, ego wouldn't come. These things bring ego, abhiman, and wanting guru and Bhagwan doesn't like, can't tolerate abhiman. Even if we have any kind of good quality in us, we should think I'm the worst of the worst. Give every seva, give everything, and still feel I have given nothing. What can we give to Guru, to Radha Krishna, for what they are given? What Guru is given to us, divine. Everything. And what we are given, he says, everything you have, you give me. Shri Krishna is saying, Guru is saying, everything. To mere paas ganda hai. Everything I have is dirty. Dirty mind, dirty body, dirty wealth, sab ganda. Shri Krishna says, give it. Radharani says, give it. Maharaj says, give it. And in return, I will give you everything divine. Divine love, divine vision, divine bliss, everything divine. Don't have this abhiman, I give something. Give everything and feel I still haven't given. I can't pay for what he's given me. She's given. Amanadena. Give respect to all. See in Radha Krishna, especially in Satsangi, in the world, God is sitting in the heart of every living being. See Radha Krishna and everyone. And Satsangi, see Maharaji sitting in the heart of every Satsangi. That one I love, the one who is going to give me everything, and he's looking all the time. Practice that fact. I'm akela nahi hai. I'm not alone. Two personalities always with me. Hari Guru. All the time have this realization. Radha Krishna Maharaj is always with me. Always with me. So we don't do wrong things. The thought even will not come. Maharaj is looking. हाथ जोड़ के दीन भाव से सबको राधे राधे कहते रहो. Put the hands together and with humility say Radhe Radhe. It's not hard to do. ये सब हमें इसके अभ्यास करना. We have to practice all the time. We forget, we get careless. This one what I'm telling you, you've heard it many times from Sri Maharaj. It's just a reminder. And the new ones of course, some of them for the first time. So, Amarina Manadena, then Kirtaniya Sadadihi. Then do Kirtan, then do Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, then do Radhe Radhe, then will benefit. Tab laabh hoga. They said there's much more. But time is of the essence. We have to, of course, do dhyan in the beginning. Especially we have never practiced Roop Dhyan in any special way in the past. So we need a lot of help in the beginning. So take the help of some photo, picture, murti that's attractive to you. You like. Some people may not, but many of us do. We need a help. Millions of people have painted pictures, painters, sculptures. They're all material people, and it's all material. What Sri Krishna actually looks like, what Radharani looks like, no painter, no sculpture can draw or create. Impossible. Chidanandamaya deha tumhari, bigat vikar jani adhikari. Just as Sri Krishna is divine, his body is also divine, his color, everything is divine. Chidanandamaya. Those painter, no sculpture. We need something. A saint who is seeing, he can't tell us. He's seeing Krishna, Radharani every moment, but they can't tell us. Why? He's seen all the time. Because the instrument we have that we understand with our mind and intellect, it is material. Go char jah lagi man jai, so sab maya jani bhai. That mind we think with, the intellect we know with, the senses we grasp, they are all material. And God is beyond Maya. So the Murti, no matter how beautiful that picture of Murti is not Sri Krishna, not Radharani. The divine, everything is divine. But how beautiful is Sri Krishna? The saints and the scriptures, they tell us, when trying to describe how beautiful Sri Krishna is. The most beautiful person in the material world is someone called Kamdev, the god of love. To describe how beautiful Sri Krishna is, the saints and the scripture says, he is more beautiful than the beauty of uncountable Kamdevs multiplied. Uncountable. We can't even think how beautiful Kamdev is. Forget about Sri Krishna. But we need something in the beginning. So, take a photo, picture that you like, attract their millions. One is attractive to you. If it is too ugly, not attractive, the mind will not like it. It's not going to stay there. And now look at the picture or photo and then try to visualize in your mind. In the beginning, you'll find it will take a long time to look at the photo, picture, or murti. And when we close our eye and try to visualize, it will vanish quickly. Don't worry. Open your eyes and look again. If we keep doing that, eventually the length of time it takes to look at the murti or picture will get smaller and smaller, and the length of time we can visualize in our mind when we close our eyes will get longer and longer till the day comes you don't need any murti or picture. Anywhere you can sit. Close your eye in the park, in the street, anywhere, and you will see that. One point will come, you'll be able to open your eyes and see. Anyway, but we have to practice. Also, that murti and picture, yes, is not Sri Krishna, what actually Sri Krishna looks like, but in every particle of that murti, every particle of that picture, Radha Krishna is pervaded. So that bhavana has to be there. Don't think this is not Radha Krishna. This is Radha Krishna in every particle. What they actually look like, we know when we become divine. This is to help. Any clothes, any age, you can keep changing. Yena kena prakarena, the scripture says, whatever it takes to attract the mind. Whatever it takes. That is sadhana. We have different interests. From our sanskars, from uncountable lifetime. Not everybody has the same interest. Ruchi. Somebody says, I like blue Krishna, deep blue. Another person says, halka, light blue. One person says, I like black Krishna, kala. Next person says, I see kala, vomit. I want fair Krishna, Gora. No problem. Another form of Sri Krishna, Radharani, Param Gauri, supremely fair. Say Sri Krishna. Whatever color you want to see. All the colors is our material. Sri Krishna color is divine. whatever clothes, in your meditation, whatever pastime, we are free. Once you can get the mind attracted and make relation. He's my Swami, I am his servant. Radha, he's my friend, Sakha, my Sakhi, Radharani. Radha, Vatsalya Bhava. Shri Krishna is my baby, my child. He's my parent. And the highest relation, lover, beloved. Shri Krishna is my love, is my beloved, I am his lover. The highest. This is the one we have to practice most. From that you can come down when you feel like it, you can go up when you feel free. But if you only practice Dasya Bhava, that he is my master, I am his servant, and you eventually attain Shri Krishna, then you can never go higher. You will only attain Prema Bhakti. And there are 8 stages of Siddha Bhakti, perfect devotion. Prema Bhakti, Sneha Bhakti, Mana Bhakti, Pranay Bhakti, Rag Bhakti, Anurag Bhakti, Bhavish, Mahabhav, the highest. So those Dasya Bhava, only Prema Bhava. And after you attain, you can't go higher. But if you love as the beloved, when you feel like it, you can be a servant. When you feel like it, friend. When you feel like it, child, hold him. When you feel like it, my beloved, up and down. But most important, that he is Madhurya Bhava. In order we will be able to attain that Maharaj, the highest. So there's much more. There's only been so going to speak half an hour, but I'm going a little bit extra. There's much more. We hear from time to time. My Guru Bahan, Sister Pracharika, Siddheshwari Didi comes here very often. She's going to come, I think, in February for the whole month. I'll try to come from time to time. We will hear more. You can go online, listen to lectures. Of course, most important, Jagat Guru Tam Shri Kripalu Mahaprabhu. Many of his, so many lectures. We have books that can help you. One book especially, Prema Siddhant, if you're new, this is one book you must have. Must. We can't understand the scriptures. Whether it's Gita, Ramayana, Bhagavad, forget Ved. Bhagavad Rasik Rasik ki baate, Rasik bina ko samujh sakena, Khag jane, khag hi ke bhaka. Just, Tulsidas Maharaj is saying, just as a bird alone can understand the language of another bird, so too only a Rasik saint can understand what is written by another Rasik saint. These words are divine, whether it's Ramayana, Gita, Bhagavad, whatever is divine. To understand divine words, we need divine mind, divine intellect. Many people want to read Gita and they want to discuss and kya kar rahe? Pagal ho gaye. You have no idea what's written in Gita. So Guru, his Kripalu Mahaprabhu has taken everything, all the Vedas, all the Puranas, Gita, Ramayana, every knowledge we need, and he's put it in this book. You don't have to go and read anymore. Anyway, Prema Siddhant, everything is there. Every question can be answered. And there are thousands of lectures you can go on YouTube, etc. and get. And if you're much closer, you can go. We have a site called, we have an app called Kripalu Nidhi. It's recommended that you get this app. You can look anywhere on the phone, anywhere you can look on the app and see lectures and pastimes and so much you can see. Highly recommend it. You can talk to any satsangi and they'll tell you how to get the app. Because when you go on YouTube, etc., yes, you're going to see lectures, but you also see foolishness. And the mind is extremely crazy. You start looking at Maharaji lecture and something jump up. And let me look at this too. And all kind of foolishness. When you go on Kripalu Nidhi, only Kripalu. That's all. You're not going to say anything else. Nothing else. There's thousands and thousands. So, it's highly recommended. This information you can get from other devotees and sangis or myself or Diviji, Siddheshwari Devi, you get all this information. We have a bookstore, so the Prema Siddhant, there are books also, and Roop Dhyan. Nowadays I think it has a new name, meditation or something, right? So these books are available, these two especially in the beginning. Prema Siddhant is a lecture that Jagat Gurutam Kripalu Mahaprabhu gave on Roop Dhyan, how to do sadhana. This little book will help you tremendously. Later on you can get more books and etc. and keep going on. We the Pracharaks of Sri Maharaji, myself, Diviji, we are here to help you. You can always approach us, WhatsApp, etc. You have questions, you have problem, and you can always come to us. I said there are much more, but I'll finish here today. Boli Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai, Radha Rani ki jai, Srimad Sadguru Sarkar ki jai, Jai Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe.